looking for a home since 2019. Her mind wrapped around new wants and new needs. Like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, I'm on my knees. So I took a step forward just to take a step back. And every day now wondering where the hell I'm at. Where to go, and you don't know where you're at. But I stood up tall with new trajectories. And now my friends don't believe in me. Where to go, when my brother don't believe in me. They'll push me out, they push me out, they push me out, and I still believe. Well, people get jobs, get married, having kids, and I hear that half of them wish they never did. Like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, just leave me be. But before I could dodge, I found a new thing. Love so strong it made us both sing. Like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, howling at the moon. Neighborhoods here, I've been making some change. Investors wanna come and take it all away. Like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, pushed into the street. Investors don't care about people, they care about that money. Up again, let's ditch the city. I found a little house on the edge of country. Like a dog, like a dog, like a dog, I just wanna roam free. They push me out, they push me out, they push me out, and I still believe. They push me out, they push me out, they push me out, and I still believe. They'll push me out, they push me out, and they push me out, and I still